water. We know that oil and water are immiscible liquids, so they do not get mixed on their own. So with the help of glass rod, we have to mix them to get the mixture of oil and water. Then we have to pour this mixture in separating funnel. So separating funnel, we have to open it from here. We have to ensure that its tap is closed in closed position. Now the principle of this method is that in mixture of immiscible liquids, when we leave it undisturbed for some time, the liquids of different densities, they separate into different layers on the basis of their densities. The liquid with more density settles in lower layer, and with low density settles in upper layer, and liquid with more density makes lower layer in the separating funnel when we leave it undisturbed for some time. So now with the help of funnel, we can pour this mixture in the separating funnel, and then we have to leave this mixture undisturbed for some time so that the two liquids start to form separate layers. Then we can open up this tap. We will take out first layer out in one beaker, then in other liquid we will take the second layer. Now हमारे पास यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ऑयल की लेयर सेपरेट हो गई है आफ्टर 15 मिनट्स और वाटर की लेयर सेपरेट. हम इसमें से टैप को ऑन करेंगे. उससे पहले हमें यहाँ से लिड को हटा लेना है ताकि सक्शन ना बने. एयर कैन गो टू रिप्लेस द लिक्विड इन दिस सेपरेटिंग funnel. So as we open this tap, water starts to come out. So we let this water, whole of the water to come out. As it reaches to the oil layer, we will stop it. So we can discard some of the liquid here because where two layers are just in contact. So we will discard some of the, as this oil started to come out, we will turn it off and replace another beaker to collect only oil. So this is how we separate oil and water.